Hello, from Sergio Vini. I'm going to do this video to show you the cloud travel option inside Cloud Token. So if you don't know about Cloud Token or Cloud 2.0, below this video you will have a short presentation like this, just 5 minutes, and also you will have the site I have, which you can have also with a longer presentation. So let's go back here. So practically Cloud Token, you just get paid to hold your crypto. So instead of getting your Bitcoin, Coinbase or whatever wallet where you don't get paid, you just put them here and then you put in a project and you get paid from 6 to 10% a day. And you always have the control of the tokens, okay? So we get paid in Cloud Token, which you can exchange, and withdraw them. We can withdraw anytime, but also we can use them in the cloud travel. So this company is completely different than the others. When they say something, they are doing it. So cloud travel, at the moment that I'm speaking to you, is the 17th of October, has more than 65,000 hotels around the world where we can pay directly with our cloud token. So this is not my account. This is just a test account. My real account is going to be here with the number. Okay. So let's go back here. Let's click on cloud travel. And of course, because we pay with our cloud token, we have we pay 10, 15%, even 20% less. So for the time being, we have the hotels. They're going to add the flights, they're going to add the tours, and they're going to add the cars. So you can see the full presentation, no problem. So this is not a cloud travel, company, but the cloud token is going everywhere right now. Okay, so you click on hotels. I just choose London to give you an example. From the 18 to the 20, I'm going to do a search. It may upload, slowly because I'm recording at the same time. And so it's going to search all the hotels. So as it's loading, one CTO, the cloud token right now, it's worth 0.50 cents US dollars. Okay. When they start, it was worth at 0.30. So you cannot purchase the cloud token. The only way you got the cloud token is participating on, on the arbitrage trading. So we get paid in cloud token. So as you can see, this is the price in cloud token. So as it's loading, let me load a little bit more. Load down. I have choose once before, so just to give a test. Okay, this one only the in London Heathrow. Of course, you have the hotel all over the world, in United States, whatever, in Europe, whatever. So let's go and click here, details. Just a second, that is loading. Give it time because I'm recording something. So this is the hotel, just in case someone. So this is the price per night. Okay, 133. So I booked for 2 nights. Okay, from the 18. So let's go here and click on book now. It's loading. Let him load. Just a second. Okay, you see, 2 nights is 353 cloud tokens. So if you do the calculation here, 353 multiply 0.50, because each cloud token is 0.50 dollars, it's $176. So let's go back here. Let's go and have a look, for example, here in booking.com. Okay, Holiday Inn, I put the same date, the same thing, is 171 euro, which euro is stronger than the dollar. So if we do $176, okay, how much is it in euro? If we go here, 176 is 158 euro. So as you can see, we pay less than here, and we pay straight away with our cloud token. Okay, so this is a real deal, because this business, what they say, they really deliver. So we get our cloud token by just holding our crypto here. So if you got any crypto in Coinbase and whatever wallet where you don't get paid anyway, you can come here. You can see the presentation. You can see the presentation here below. This is shorter presentation on the comments, on the description, and then you will have my site, which you can copy also the site. You can replicate it for you, and you can have all the full webinar here with the owners and everything, with the transaction proofs. It's very easy to use, and then you can use my code and download the app. So I hope this help you, and have a lovely day. Until next time.